Yeah, there's the right one. There's the left. Okay.
Yeah.
So first things first, we're gonna check. Yeah, see, it's not moving this way at all. So we're gonna set it real hard. A little more. Good. See, nasal bone's not moving that way either. So we're gonna set this. Oh man, this is really tough. There it is. Good, now it's pivoting. Next are our sinuses. See, it's all clogged up. Frontal sinuses. Yeah, these aren't moving either. Sphenoid. Yeah, this is really tough. A little more. There it goes. Now give it a try, sir.